The Audi Q5 key fob opens using a slide release mechanism on the back. Locate the small lever or button near the keyring attachment. Slide or press it to unlock the two halves of the fob. Once released, gently pry the two halves apart to avoid scratches. This process reveals the internal components, including the battery holder, circuit board, and emergency key blade, allowing easy access for replacement. After opening the fob, remove the old CR232 battery, noting its polarity. The positive side has a plus symbol, while the negative side is smooth or marked with a minus. Insert the new CR232 battery, ensuring the correct polarity matches the markings in the fob. These batteries are widely available at electronics stores for about $5 to $10. After the new battery is in place, reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Ensure they are firmly closed to prevent any gaps or misalignment. Finally, slide the release lock back into its original position to secure the fob and prevent accidental opening. Test the fob to ensure it functions correctly. Press a button and check that the LED light illuminates brightly, indicating proper battery connection and functionality. Properly dispose of the old battery to avoid environmental harm. Lithium batteries should be recycled at designated collection points or electronics stores, rather than thrown in regular trash.